Welcome to Singapore. Bienvenue à Singapour. This is an incredibly exciting moment for Bombardier, another incredibly exciting moment for Bombardier, as I'm here with Simon Wayne. Hi, Simon.
Hi, Ev.
How are you?
Very good, excited.
Yes, and what does this mean to you, this building? What's new about it? Because this is a facility we've had since 2013. Things have changed.
Yeah, we've more than quadrupled to over 300,000 square feet, added so many more services and features into the new facility.
So what type of services do we do here now?
We've doubled our maintenance capacity. We've also brought the first ever business jet paint facility with a dedicated preparation bay and a dedicated humidity control, temperature controlled paint bay.
What kind of maintenance do we do here, aside from the painting?
The full scope across our Learjet, Challenger and Global series. And now we've added over $15 million worth of parts into the facility.
That's incredible, because my understanding from speaking to customers is parts availability. They want to come to a service center that's ready to get their plane ready to get back into the sky. So this is a huge investment for us.
It's a great enhancement.
The other amazing aspect of this facility is the sustainability aspect, Simon. And as soon as we walk in, we feel the Singaporean garden style with the live walls.
Well, Singapore is renowned as a garden city, so we brought that into the facility in the customer and employee areas, and it's enhanced the whole work environment.
What makes it a LEED building?
Well, we basically started right from the outset when we set our requirements. The design, the construction, and the ongoing operation of facilities now meets the US Green Building Council's Silver LEED certification standard.
Which is a tough feat to get. There's also solar panels that we use here.
Absolutely. We added a megawatt of solar panel capacity on site, and that together with the electrical vehicle charging points both for our airside and landside vehicles.
Congratulations to you and your team. This is one of the most beautiful service centers I've seen, and we have more news coming up for clients around the world. Thank you, Simon.
Thank you so much, Eb.